Hi everyone, I'm back today to share with you a new printable hanky kit that I have in my Etsy shop, and I am going to link it below. These are vintage Christmas hankies that I have, and you will have seen some journals that I did, I guess last week. Still a couple in my shop, but I've scanned the hankies that I used to make those covers. So let me just show you what you get. You get 9 images. And I'm not sure that the color is coming through. These are not like really dark reds. These are a little bit brighter reds. And I don't know if you can see, you can really pick up the fabric through these printables as well. So what I have done for this one in particular, I've taken a couple of different parts of the hanky so that you have a couple of different options. And these of course are great printed on, like this one is printed on cardstock and it would make a great journal cover. You can print them on, you can see this one I have printed on some vellum and they make great pockets or just even a page in your journal. Just something that's a little bit different. So I like to do that, as you've seen probably in a lot of my journals as well. And then just printing them on, you know, copy paper weight adds interesting pages as well. So this one would make a great pocket if you cut it, say here, or you could cut it here. Whoops, sorry about that, as a side pocket. This one, again, would make a great side pocket here. If you printed it on vellum, that would be great because then this would show at the edge of your page. And then there's this one. And then I've taken the inside portion of this hanky and given you this, which would make another great just interesting page. And then this one, so this would make a great cover, and then this one I thought would make great pockets for you to add. So these are available now. This set is available now in my Etsy shop, and I have it linked below for you if you're looking for something fun and interesting to add to your December journal this year. I hope you will check this out. Thanks, everyone.